Welcome back to our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. In this video, we will be discussing tax planning and how to maximize deductions. Why is tax planning important? Tax planning is important because it helps you to understand how the tax laws affect your financial situation and enables you to take advantage of tax deductions and credits to lower your tax bill. Ways to lower your tax bill. There are several ways to lower your tax bill, including making contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, claiming deductions and credits such as mortgage interest, charitable donations, and education expenses, maximizing business expenses for self-employed individuals or small business owners, investing in tax-efficient assets such as municipal bonds or real estate. It's important to note that tax laws and deductions can change from year to year, so it's important to stay informed and consult a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits. Understanding the tax laws. It's important to stay informed about the tax laws and regulations as they can change from year to year. This includes understanding the standard deductions, tax brackets, and any new tax laws or credits that may be available. Strategizing your tax planning. Proper tax planning requires foresight and strategy. This includes understanding your income sources, tax deductions, and credits that are available to you, and planning your financial decisions accordingly. This may include things like timing investments, maximizing deductions, and taking advantage of tax-efficient savings vehicles. Utilizing tax software. Technology has made it easier to maximize deductions and lower your tax bill. Tax software can help you to quickly and easily understand the tax laws, find deductions, and calculate your tax bill. These software programs can also help you to e-file your taxes, which can save you time and money. Conclusion. Tax planning is an essential aspect of personal finance, as it helps you to understand how the tax laws affect your financial situation and enables you to take advantage of tax deductions and credits to lower your tax bill. By staying informed about the tax laws, strategizing your tax planning, and utilizing tax software, you can make informed decisions and lower your tax bill. Remember, tax laws and deductions can change from year to year, so it's important to stay informed and consult a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits.